Hello everyone, my name is Neilsy, and if you missed my previous video, I spent all afternoon trying to remove the dented panel on my 1976 Subaru. If you are new here, go check out my Facebook page, 1976 Subaru Project. Here I post all my videos, photos, and any updates regarding my progress. My aim is to have this car completely restored by 2026 for its 50th birthday. Now, if you are following my Facebook page, you would have seen me purchase a creeper. It's a very standard creeper. I got it for $26 from Repco. This will allow me to maneuver a lot easier underneath the car, and it will also be handy to have something to sit on when working on the ground. I also spent a few minutes removing this no fear sticker from the front windscreen. There is a reason why I had a no fear sticker back when I first drove the car when I was younger, and I explain this on my Facebook page. So today we are working on the dent on the front left panel. This dent was caused by a double brick wall. There is a bit of a story behind this that I might share with you all in the future. Now, if you are new here, it is worth pointing out that I am not a panel beater or a qualified mechanic. I do have a certificate 2 in automotive servicing, but everything that I am doing is based off my knowledge or from research I have been doing. So smacking the panel like this with the roller mallet is the only way I can think to bring the panel back into some sort of shape. I have researched other methods, but as this is the front corner, it is difficult to make perfect. Also, this is solid metal. They don't make cars like this anymore. If you were doing what I'm doing right now to a modern day car, you'd probably put a hole right through it. I'm pretty satisfied that this is the best I'm going to get it. I will later down the track apply some bog to this area to try to mold the shape. But for now, this will do. Before I put it back on the car, I am going to be using this panel to test paint in a future video. I have been debating with myself regarding what I should be doing next. At first, I was going to focus on the body of the car, but I am now leaning towards getting the car mechanically sound before I spend hours on the bodywork. The main issue I have is the drive shaft sitting inside the hub, which I'm not able to do myself. I'm going to have to put the car on a trailer and tow it to my mechanic. But before I do that, I need to make sure that the engine is happy. So I'm going to do another oil change to hopefully start eliminating a lot of the old gunk. The oil filter is new, but it's worth taking it off to drain so I can get as much life out of the filter as possible. As you can see, the oil is very black already, so this may need another change in a couple of weeks. So for the past couple of months I have had issues starting the car, and when I've managed to get it started, it doesn't idle very well. You can hear in the previous clip, it just doesn't sound right. After a bit of research, it could be a few things, but the first thing I'm going to try is to replace the spark plugs. As this is a pretty easy and not expensive fix, we're going to take out the old spark plugs and put in new ones. Now, if you want more information about spark plugs and how to change them, I recommend either Mighty Car Mods or Chris Fix. They are the two YouTube channels that I go to if I want more of a visual explanation on how to do things. Now, I can guarantee these spark plugs probably haven't been changed for about 20 years. So we're going to head off to Super Cheap Auto and pick up some new spark plugs. You can talk to the guys in there and they'll find out which spark plugs are right for you, or you can just go to your user's manual. I picked these up for $7 each. So here is the new spark plug. I did take one of the old spark plugs with me to ensure that they were the same shape. They even opened up one of the boxes in the store to make sure that we are getting the right ones. Now, before changing spark plugs, it is worth cleaning the area beforehand. Blow some air with some compressed air or use a vacuum cleaner. Now that all 4 spark plugs have been installed, let's see if this makes any difference to the startup and to the idle. Now that did sound a lot better than before, so that is all we're going to do today, and we're going to end this video here. As I mentioned at the beginning of this video, go check out my Facebook page, 1976 Subaru Project. Here I post all my videos, photos, and any updates regarding my progress. I hope you enjoyed this video. It is a little bit shorter today, but if you did enjoy it, please leave a like and make sure you subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this one. I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.